What's good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Zamir from XSC Tunes. I'm so glad to be here again one more time with you guys. I want to make beats today using MPC 3.7 desktop version. I really like this DAW, and I heard that there will be a new controllers coming. I hope they will have the expression pads. So I really like the MPC E pads, E as in expressive pads, where you can actually morph samples from one side to the other side. So within one pad, you can actually add 4 samples, and then you can morph it. And I really want to use that in a controller, because I'm not really a person who do a lot of production in standalone machine, because I really like to have my computer in front of me. I really hope that the new controllers is going to be having those pads, the expressive pads, because I've been trying to do this morphing thing with other plugins and DAWs that I currently have, like Cubase. I try to use it. I try to create similar effects with Halion and with the other samplers, but I couldn't manage to do it. I couldn't get it the way MPC works, right? So I'm looking forward for the controllers, and I definitely will get it for sure if they have the MPC's expressive pads. Right, so right now I'm just learning the MPC 3.7 desktop version software, so that when I have the controller with the MPC E pads, I will be able to use the desktop version, and it's gonna speed up my process afterwards. Right, so that being said, I'm gonna get to making beats today. So let's go. So I think I want to create melody or maybe a chord progression first, and then build the drums. So the first track right here is obviously the drums. I'm gonna create another track, and I'm gonna go to the plugin, and let's find some instrument here. I'm gonna be using, for a change, let's use Synthmaster 2. This is a great plugin. I use it for a lot of film scoring. It has a lot of great sounds in it. I hope MPC 3.7 can handle this VST. Okay, it took time to load it, so okay, not now, but I will do it later. Right, so let's go find some synth sound. Maybe where are the synth? Okay, I don't like that pluck sound, but I really like that the boomy sound. If you notice, it's actually kind of modulating that. Remove modulations. Yeah, okay, I've got it. So let me get some tempo here. Yeah, 140 works. 4 bars. Okay, so let's record it real quick. Let's go. Maybe at the end I want to change it to a different note. I like that. Okay, now that's the first plugin. So I think I'm gonna start with the bass line today. I'm gonna need some drums. I want snap. Yeah, let's do that. This should be coming in here. Let's remove this kick. I'm gonna use that. Yeah, let's record that. I think I want to change the kick. I don't like the kick. Like really nasty kick, you know. Yeah, something like that. Okay, that's cool. Let's add another track. I'm gonna go with a plugin as well. I'm gonna bring some instrument that's not so heavy on CPU, so that's gotta be Vacuum Pro. Vacuum Pro is very easy on CPU and I really like it. Now that's what I'm looking for. Yeah, that works. Now I need a different instrument. Let's have Jura. Jura is also another plugin that's really light, and I want to have plucky instrument. Let's try again. Yeah, that works. Okay, I need a bit more angry sound. Something like that. So I'm gonna be playing my track arrangement now. So if I were to start this beat, I would start with and then I would go to the drums. This would be the verse. And then from there I would unmute there's some kind of bugs right now, I don't know, I'm not able to unmute this one right now, but well, obviously this is a beta version. What I would do is basically I would just unmute the rest of it, and then that will be the hook part. For the verse, most probably I will play without a lot of instrument. Unfortunately, I'm not able to show you guys the arrangement by using the track mute because there's some kind of bugs. I'm not able to unmute both of these tracks right now simultaneously, and I can't even mute anything right now. I don't know what happened. And the arrangement is going to be very simple. I'll have the intro with minimum instrument. Mostly I'll just cut out all the drums, and then the verse is going to be very minimal instrument as well, because we want to let the singers tell a story, and then the chorus is going to be all full, and that's it. So that's it for today, guys. If you guys find this video really entertaining and you like this beat, please smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Share this video to everybody you know. Alright, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.